and welcome to my channel. So today is the first day I'm actually filming on my SL2, which I bought a couple days ago, and I did a review. SL2 Holiday Bundle, that should be up here, I think. Yeah, so today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Emart photography softbox, the two softboxes. This is the photo here. I'll open this up on the screen now, and yeah, this is the Emart photography softbox lighting kit, photos, equipment, blah blah blah. Oh, and the best part about this softbox is that you can get two color temperatures. You can get that white, that nasty industrial looking white that I have been I've been using for my last couple of videos, and you can get yellow, which would be like your daylight balance. Well, don't let me start putting out terms, even though I have been taking classes on lighting and all this stuff. I actually don't know like the daylight balance. I don't know if that's like the yellow light or the white light. I don't know. Alright, so let's open the box. Okay, so the next time I buy something and review it, I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'm just going to say, here it is. Unboxings are like dumb. Alright, so it comes with a carrying bag. Yes. Alright, here is the carrying bag. Let's do a different shot and I'll show you what's in it. Alright, let's open the bag. This is the carrying case, so very nondescript. We have a little Velcro here. Okay, and here I thought everything would have already been assembled. Right, so we have a cardboard box. What's in the box? Alright, we have a power brick, and we have the light itself. Luckily for me, the light is not a LED. This is an LED light, so I don't have to buy bulbs for it, which is fantastic news. Right? See it? This is the light itself. This is the light. This light is ridiculously light. It is lighter than this water bottle, and as you can see, it is not completely filled. So the light is light. The light does not weigh much at all. I'm pretty sure the other light is in here because there are two lights. Two lights came in the package. Alright, and this is going to be your soft box. This is going to be your reflector, and these are going to give you the rigidity for it. This is your diffuser. Right, and we have another bag that is similar. Pretty sure the same thing comes in the other bag too. I'm not going to bother opening it. So for this, we also have instructions. Is this in focus? Who knows? Right, so we have instructions. Not sure how helpful they. Oh wow, these are very small. So what this paper basically says, it details what's in the bag. Details what's in the bag and installation instructions. Also has some frequently asked questions, and it also has like technical information. Alright, and here we have our light stand. This light stand is more durable than I expected it to be. Alright, so let's set this up. So I just came back from the edit, realized the video that I shot of me setting up the light was totally out of focus and very grainy. The ISO was set to auto ISO and I was just using a room light. So I'm gonna reshoot that now. Hopefully the lighting is better, everything is gonna be in focus. So yeah, now for the setup. Alright, we're gonna start with the light stand. Very simple. Unscrew this knob here. Push it down. You make sure, let me look at my framing. Oops, yeah, I was close. Right, make sure that this is kind of level. Tighten it. Boom. Let's see. We're going to bring it up a little bit more. About here is fine. Now we're going to install the reflector to the LED fixture. So let's put this aside. Now when you're installing the light, these silver ends, they go into the light, and these ends here, they go in to the pockets of the reflector. So let's do like this. Boom. It will end up something like this. Can you see this? Yeah. Cool. So let's do that. And that's how you install the reflector. You can close up the back here with the Velcro. So I'm gonna do that now. Ta-da! And that's how you install the reflector. It's not very difficult to do, but it's difficult to show you while I'm doing it. So you see the poles here are, I stuck them into the pocket up here. Can you see that? Oh, no you can't. Yeah, I stuck them into a pocket here. And now, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to attach the power brick to the light. Well, I'm not going to show you this. This is stupid simple. And then I'm going to attach the light to the light stand and then put on the diffusion. So let's do a quick time lapse of me doing that. Alright, so I have finished installing the light to the light stand, plugging in the power and doing the diffusion. So let's turn it on, see how it looks. But first, before we turn on the light, I'm going to turn off my video light here. So let's do that. Oh, no, off. Okay, the video light up there is completely off. And oh yeah, I'm very dark. Well, not very dark. Right, let's see. Now this is a bicolor light and it has two settings, one for the yellow light, which is the 5500K, and one for the white light, which is 2700K. So let's do the white light now. Oops, no. Okay, sorry about that. The white light is the 5500 Kelvin, which is this, and the yellow light is 2700 Kelvin. So this is the white light, and now for the yellow light. Let's close up my window here so you can just see. Let's turn this off. and then we're going to close the window to block out the light. So I have turned off all of my lights, closed up the window. Let's just turn on the softbox. Alright, this is the light at the white light, and it is at its lowest setting. Let's turn the light up brighter. Alright, this is its brightest setting. Now, I don't suppose you'll be using the light so bright, so close to someone in the first place, but it does have brightness control. So let's turn that back down again. There we go. Alright, and now let's do 2700 Kelvin. Off. Yellow light. Beautiful. Let's turn this up a bit. Alright, that's it. Okay, so before we close out the video, I would like to say something. The lock for this light that allows you to lock it in whatever orientation is kind of weak. If you have it pointed down and you barely touch it, it will slip. So the locks on the lights, not the best. Okay, and this is how you change the light over to its different settings. The white light is when you, it's in its off configuration now. When you push it up, you get the white light, which is 5500 Kelvin. When you center it, that is off, or you push down, that is 2700 Kelvin, and that's where you get the yellow light. This is your brightness control knob, the knob that allows you to control your brightness. Let's go back to yesterday where we tested a potential setup you might be seeing in the future for this channel. Alright, this is a test of me sitting in a chair. This is a test of me sitting at my setup with the house lights on. This is me sitting in my setup with the house lights off. This is me sitting in my setup with the softbox on to 5500 Kelvin. The softbox, the camera is there, the softbox is there. Off to my left, but to your right. This is a test of the softbox set to 2700 Kelvin. Yep, I did not move the softbox. Camera is there, softbox is there, off to my left. Yeah, okay, so I'm looking at the video and you can clearly see the difference between the 2700 Kelvin and the 5500 Kelvin. So yeah, now of course having a light does not mean my videos are gonna immediately be better. I'll definitely have to work around with the placement of the lights and what color temperature is better. Personally, I think that the yellow light from 2700 Kelvin, this yellow, looks better with human skin tones, especially with my skin tone. So yeah, I'll be playing around with this in the future, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Link to this product and all of the gear used in this video down in the description below. So feel free to check it out if you want to. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.